Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something massive in the world of AI creativity. Suppose springen als storyboard. Introducing Higgsfield Popcorn, the new gold standard for cinematic image generation and storytelling. You've probably heard of tools like Nano Banana or Seedream, but this one takes things to a whole new level. Developed by Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing GenAI companies, Popcorn is designed to be the most creator-friendly platform out there, combining world-class image editing with intelligent scene continuity. Imagine turning one single image or prompt into a complete visual story. With perfect character consistency, cinematic lighting, and stunning soul-like realism. That's what Higgsfield Popcorn does best. It's not just an image generator. It's your storyboard creator, image editor, and scene director all in one. And the results? More consistent than Nano Banana, more expressive than Seedream, and more controllable than Sora 2. With Popcorn, you can generate entire stories from just one prompt, maintain character, object, and style consistency across up to 8 shots, create hyper-realistic Higgsfield Soul-level visuals, perform flawless photo edits, and seamless background swaps. In short, AI is entering Hollywood, and now you can direct the story. From one prompt to a full storyboard to infinite creative possibilities. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how Higgsfield Popcorn works, how you can generate complete cinematic storyboards, and why it's quickly becoming known as the Nano Banana Killer. Let's jump right in. The link is available in the description below. Go ahead and click on it. Once you open the page, you'll see an interface that looks like this, Higgsfield Popcorn. Here, you'll find two main modes, manual and auto. In manual mode, you can upload up to 4 reference images and generate up to 8 output results. You can also describe what happens in each scene, scene 1, 2, 3, and 4, giving you complete creative control. In auto mode, things are even simpler. You just upload an image and describe your prompt. So let's start by testing the auto mode. I'll choose a photo and give it this prompt. A lone detective stands under a flickering street lamp on a rainy night. Film noir, 1940s cityscape in black and white. Next, you can select the number of output results you want, from 1 to 8, and choose your preferred aspect ratio. There are multiple options available, such as 2:3, 3:4, 4:3, and 9:6. Now, hit generate and wait a few seconds. And here we go. It has beautifully generated 4 sequential photos. You can click on any photo to animate it, edit it, upscale it, or download it. Super easy. Now, let's try another example. This time, I'll upload a photo of a man and use the prompt. The young knight travels across misty valleys to rescue a princess trapped in a crystal tower in Ghibli-style medieval fantasy world. Again, choose the number of results. Maybe 2, 3, or 4. Pick your aspect ratio. Hit generate, and just look at that. The results are absolutely stunning. If you're not satisfied, no worries. You can always regenerate for new variations. Now, let's take it a step further. I'll upload 2 photos, one of a girl and one of iPhone, and give it this prompt. The woman walks through Tokyo with an object from IMG2. Select your output images, hit generate, and wow, you can see how perfectly it created a scene of the girl holding iPhone while walking through the streets of Tokyo. Now, I'll upload a photo and add this prompt. The man walks on an NYC street and meets a cat wearing clothes, standing like a human and talking with it. Next, I'll choose the input images, select the aspect ratio, and hit generate. And here's the result. Perfectly cinematic and visually consistent. Now, here's where Higgsfield Soul really shines. It keeps the input images consistent, ensuring that every new frame or extension stays true to the original look and feel. So let's take it further with this new prompt. Extend this sequence with shocking emotions. Hit generate. And here's the result. The extension remains perfectly consistent with seamless storytelling and expressive emotion across the entire sequence. You've just seen how Higgsfield Popcorn can turn a single prompt or a few reference images into a complete cinematic story with perfect character consistency, smooth scene transitions, and stunning visuals. Now, let's try something different. I'm going to upload an image, and here's the prompt I'll use. Give them cat heads, hairless Egyptian cat heads. The one on the left with bronze eyes, the one on the right with blue eyes. Select the aspect ratio and hit generate. And just look at this. Higgsfield Popcorn has perfectly transformed the image, keeping all the details consistent while giving each character its unique cat head exactly as described. You can see how precise and flexible this tool is. Whether it's adding unique features, changing characters, or completely reimagining a scene, Popcorn keeps everything coherent and cinematic. It's not just about generating images, it's about directing your own AI story. If you want to try it yourself, the link's in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.